Are you thinking about adding edible plants to your landscape, or maybe starting an edible landscape? And you want plants that are both edible and ornamental? Edible plants with beautiful flowers? Lagos spinach. The leaves on the Lagos spinach plant are edible. It has really gorgeous flowers. This is a somewhat new plant to me. This is what the plant looks like in early January in Florida 9B. As you can see, the foliage has died back this time of year. The flowers are still there. I'll probably harvest some seeds. Okinawan spinach. This is one of my favorite ground covers in the food forest. The leaves of Okinawan spinach are edible. In addition to its gorgeous leaves, which are a dark green with burgundy tints, purple on the back, it makes multicolored flowers. Here you can see a couple purple ones. It's January, so they're dying out a little bit. There's another purple one. It also makes orange and more reddish flowers. In the summertime, late fall, they look absolutely beautiful. Sleepy hibiscus, or dwarf mallow. This one has several different names. It makes these gorgeous red flowers. The leaves and the flower petals are edible. I'm going to group ginger and turmeric together. Plants look very similar. They're related. Both plants create a medicinal and edible tuber, and they both create gorgeous flowers. They typically like some shade. They both have gorgeous foliage. They create gorgeous flowers. They make edible and medicinal tubers that you can harvest, and they're easy to propagate with the tubers. Butterfly pea makes these beautiful blue flowers. This is almost January, and it's just now starting to die out. It does really good in warm, hot climates. The bean pods are edible and palatable when they're young. You can use the flowers to make tea. Flowers can be used as natural food coloring. The flowers make a blue tea. You can change the color to purple by adding an acidic ingredient like lemon juice. You can also change the color to green by adding an alkaline ingredient. Cranberry hibiscus with its purple leaves is a great contrast to all the greenery. Cranberry hibiscus has beautiful pink flowers and has gorgeous burgundy calyxes. Roselle hibiscus makes gorgeous small white flowers, relatively small compared to other hibiscuses. It has greenish leaves with burgundy tint. It has very large reddish burgundy calyxes that are typically used in tea. Ruby hibiscus makes a large purple flower, has green leaves. I use the flower to make tea, and I also use that tea to make hibiscus kombucha.